Welcome to Discourse Basic Manufacturing Process Unit 2 and Lecture 38. Continue. Agenda for today present in this video. Advantage of extrusion process. Advantage of extrusion process. Limitation of extrusion process. Application of extrusion process. Press work. Searing, deep drawing, bending, classification of presses, hand press, fly press, power press, and die and punch assembly. These are topic present in this video detail. Advantage of extrusion process. Advantage of extrusion process. The tooling cost is low as well as the cost due to material. The intricate, intricate cross-sectional shape, hollow shape, and shape with the underculture of the produce the hardness and yield strength of the material is increased. Most of applications further machining is necessary. Limitation of the extrusion process, high tolerance and difficult achieve. The process of limited to ductile materials, extrusion product and might suffer for surface cracking. It might occur for surface or temperature rise the auto significantly due to high extrusion temperature, friction, and extrusion speed. The internal cracking might also occur. These cracks are attribute to state of secondary tensile stress at the center line of the deformation zone in the die. Application of extrusion process. In the extrusion process used to manufacture welding automotive window members, turbines, aircraft structure part part railings, flashlight across the cross zone of the military projectiles and the existers. The logical advances have the allowed to extrusion opening to the use process in the application. Thus, this is the channel size form of the I section of the beam is achieved, and the T section of the in application of the L cross section of the equally leach of the angle and the equally leach the angles of the L side and the hollow circular tubes forming pipes and hollow bars drawing. The standard extrusion shapes is the application of the application of extrusion process. Press work. What is the press work? Presses shape workpiece without cutting away material, without making the chips, and press consisting of the frame supporting the stationary weight, ram, power source, and the machining and the mechanism. The mechanism for the rim and line of the light angles of weld. These are methods of working for metal sheet and press. The shearing operation. It is the sheet metal cutting operation. The straight line between two cuttings It's the sharing used for the large sieve into the smaller section of the superficie press of the operation. Deep drawing is the right for the production of pillar to cup and flank of the sheet metal. Presses work bending. It is the straining of material. Actually, the flat sheet strip move it around the straight and axis like the line the natural plane. Metal flow take place within the plastic range of metal, so the part of range of permanent permanent set of the removal of application stress. Classification of press work. Press are classified according to the following characteristics: source of power, hand press, fly and power press, types of the design of the frame, the inclined press and gap press, straight side press, and arch press, horn press. The classification of press according to the action, single action, shing, according to the single actions, double actions, and triple actions. Mechanism used for the playing power ram. Applying for the power ram, the crank incent- eccentric cam, toggle, knuckle, rack, and the pinion for the hydraulic. The number of drive gears, the single drive, twin drive, and quadruple drive. The methods of power transmission from motor to crankshaft, direct and non-gear, passes on the tanks, the mechanical press and hydraulic press. Hand press or the fly press. Hand press and fly press. These types of press made from the cast iron frame and hand opened to the construction of the consist of the screw which the carriage of fly fit with the handle on one of the ram which side guide fitted and tolerance of the screw. Further, the ram carries a punch and bottom. The ram move from punch and move far, providing the quality of the seat metal. The power press. The power press, the ram is moved for a crank and connecting rod. The punch is connected to the ram while the die trainer for the bluster plate. Fly, flywheel and the clutch to control the flow of energy. The energy is supplied continuously. The readily for casting rate of the crankshaft. It is the consumed periodically for each stroke of ram. Thank you so much.